Alright, today I'm going to be showing you how you can take a table data format Excel into Word as best as possible. So first you're going to open up Word and we're going to set our layout and our margins to narrow, but I even go into, because I like to get a little bit more room, so go to custom margins and then we're going to set this 5 to 2. And we're going to do that for the top, left, right, and bottom. Hit OK. Now I don't recommend doing that if you gotta print this out yet. It might come out okay, but sometimes you have to set the margins a little bit more in. So maybe doing the 5 will be better for you. But it's just really testing to see how much data you really have. So now we go back to our Excel file, copy all the data we're going to move into Word, and we're going to right click. And we're going to see a couple of preview options, so you just select whatever is going to be better for you. Sometimes keeping the source formatting works. Like I said, and even the picture sometimes comes out even better. So I'm just going to go ahead and use destination styles, which means it's going to take the styles away from Excel and merge in whatever you have by default in Word. And you can see our layout is actually not that bad. We can go ahead and make this come out more. We can adjust each one a little bit more so we can have more room so it all lays kind of flush. So you just kind of have to play with it, but you can see that's not too bad coming from Excel, and we still have the table format still there. So go and hit save, and then you'll be on your way.